Hello student, welcome back. Now today I am going to discuss hyperlink. Okay, and here is internal link and external link. Today's topic. In the previous classes, I already explained how to link one page to any other pages. Okay, so you all of you know a website is a collection of web pages that are the link together through the hyperlinks. Okay, and a hyperlink is the highlighted with the text and which when the click lead to the another page, and the hyperlink can be created on the text and the image or both. Generally these links are appeared in the blue color and the web page, but the colors can be modified using the attributes. Now today class I going to discuss the how to link, means the internal link and external link. There are two types of links are there. Okay, internal link and external link. So what is the internal and what is the external link? Internal link is the link that connect to the another point on the same web page is called an internal link. Okay, in the case of the internal link, the link that contain to the another points on the same web page. Okay, suppose sometime you are dragging like this. Suppose sometime you are dragging the up and down using the scroll bar. Okay, so this is the same web page you are up and down. This is the called internal. Okay, means the same web page is called the internal link. And on the other side, in the external link means a link that connect to the other point on the different web page, which may be same or different website is called the external link. Okay, again I am repeating, what is external link? A link that connects to the point or different web page. Okay, suppose in the you are in the one page. Suppose you click on the download the previous question papers, download the sample question paper. Then when you click to download option, then the sample webs means the pages or the pictures or your question paper is downloading. Okay, so in this case your page is connected to the another document, means the one more web page. This is called the external link. Okay, in this link connect to the another point on the different web page, which may be the same or different website is called the external link. Okay, so in the simple language, internal link is stand for the same web page. Okay, like the up and down. Okay, and the external link is a link to the one page to any other pages when they interconnected to each another. This is called the external link. Okay, so let's start. Okay, without wasting my time, let's start the today's topics, internal link and external link. All of you see, be careful. Okay, see, I already made one. Here is a page is there, link is there. Okay, see, I am going to explain you internal link and external link. See, so first I am going to explain you the external link. Okay, external link. See, I created here the three web pages there. The first page here and the second. Okay, and the internal means the this first and the second. This two is the external link. Okay, and the middle one is the internal link. Okay, so first start from the start from the external link. So you double click and you open. You see here I am written the example of external link, right? External link. External link, you all of you know, I already explained external link means when the web page is interconnected to one page to any other pages. This is called the external link. Okay, means one page to any other pages. So here you see I am written the example of external link. Okay, here you see the go to the second page. Suppose this is the first page and suppose you want to go to the second page, and you see when you go on this particular options, when this is the hyperlinks option is there, and see it is the hyperlink. How you understand? Because see the color is blue and it is automatically underlined, because when you apply the hyperlink, when you use the hyperlink, okay, so now it is it is coming like the underline and the color is the blue. In the last my class, in the last my class, I already explained. Okay, so what is the color of link and b link and a link. You all of you go through it. Okay, now I'm going to explain the external link. So see, here is the link is there. Just you click over here, just like I'm clicking, and when you go to this particular this option, now your mouse pointer is automatically change. Like see, just you here, you just you click over here, you see here is the example of the external link is there, and go to the first page. Like first page is there, and you see again I am repeating. See all of you, see here is the example of external link is there, and see the go to the first second page means this is the go to the second page. Like see, this is the second page. Okay, see here is there, second page is there, and you see here is the name is there, the first dot html means the name, the means the name of this website is the means that this web page is the first dot html. And the second one, when you click to second page, just you click over here, then you go to the which page, just see the second means the second html means the second website. Okay, means in this way you connect one website to means the one web page to any other web page. Okay, in this case you upload it is required to one web browser to use the any web browser. Like see, I am here, I am using here the Google Chrome. Like see, it is free download in your computer if it is there or not. Otherwise you used to Internet Explorer or Mozilla, whatever as your choice. But main thing is here, it one web means the web browser is required. Okay, and not paid. Very beginning class I already told you. Okay, so you all of you go through it. Okay, this is the simple, I already explained you how what is the external link and how you apply the link. Now next come to the coding part. Okay, next to the coding part, you see. Okay, see the coding part is there. The first is the here coding part. I am showing you the first. Right, see the right click is there. See right click, and you see open with notepad. See you click here over here notepad. See the notepad file is okay, notepad file is visible on the computer screen, right? And see, I am written as usual, I am already written the this code. Here's the html is there. Okay, head is there as usual, title. Okay, and I'm just I suppose I changing here. Suppose my web page, suppose my web page, suppose I change the title of the web page because the second page is also, first page is also the link is there. So I change it, the title is the my web page. You all of you know, in the top of the page it is visible, the title bar it is visible. Okay, my web page is there, and next is the head you close. Okay, and next the body and the bg color is the, here is the red is visible. If you want to change, then definitely change. Like see they like this, suppose I am changing, suppose here is the green. Okay, just save it. Okay, like this you save it the file. Okay, like see you save from the keyboard, otherwise you save from the file menu, and you see the output. See, this is the first page, you see it is visible, just you open. Okay, see it is visible, green color. Okay, go to the second page, see it is red color. Okay, and see again I am showing you the code. Open with the notepad, right? Open with the notepad file is there, right? All of you see this side, see the body bg color green, text equal to pink, is the color of the text is the pink. If you want to change, then definitely change, no problem. But when you enter the color, okay, it is must be double quote. Okay, it is must be double quote. Okay, if it is in the double quote, then it is come. If you suppose, for examples I am showing, suppose it is by mistake you not enter the double quote. You see here, let's see. See, it is not, see the, it is not green color because, but you written here the green color. Okay, so you, when you use, must be double quote. Okay, when you use that is like the double quote, quotation close, then you see the output, you see the output, see the green color. Okay, understood? It is means the required to double quote is required, just like quotation is double quote is required. If you not entered, then it is not comes. Okay, next you all of you see a heading part is there, heading. Okay, H1 is the biggest heading and S6 is the smallest. Okay, I show you, see S6 like this. Suppose I am using S6, then control S, otherwise press file and press like this, like C, and then refresh the page, you see the size of the text. So in this way you use the heading tag also, like this, which one I am using. Okay, and one more things I would like to say to all of you. See here the next, okay, see, and you see here is the AHREF. Okay, okay, AHREF second dot HTML means this is the name of the second file. Okay, second file means wait, second file means you see the second file is there. Second file, this one I am calling this, the this file, this first page is linked with the second one. Okay, the first page is connected with the second page, right? So you see the, again I am showing you the code. See, this is the first page and is connect with the second page, right? First page is connected with the second page, so it is the second dot HTML. And during the practice, suppose if you want to change the name, then you definitely change, but the main here means the, here you see, here see this part, this the name you also change. Whatever the files you connect one page to any other pages with the internal, in the case of the external link, your name of the file must be there. Okay, if you suppose your name is the third, but here is the second, then it is not linked. Okay, it not be possible to link, means the date source is required, you know, source is required, location and source is required. Okay, so when you click, when you link in the external link, you be careful. Okay, then name is same, spelling is must be same. Okay, so in this way you link and you see the, go to the second page and you see all of you, when you are like this, see, when you click to the second page, like see just second first page. Okay, then your first page, this is the first page is there. See, I already changed my web page and the second one is the link page is there. So in this way you will change it. Okay, and okay, I hope you all of you understood the external link. And one more thing, I show you the code of second web page, like see, same as usual. See, here is the, I am written the first dot HTML. Okay, because it is the second, means when you click to second, then it is move on first dot HTML in the first HTML file. Okay, and when you click to first, then it is move on second. Okay, so I hope you all of you understood how to link one page to any other pages. This is called the external link, right? External link means, again I am repeating, external link means to link one page to any other pages. Means here you see the first page is connected to second page, right? And next is the external link. You see, external link I am showing you. See, this is the external link is there. Okay, so you see here, this is the color is red, background color is red, and you see here, this is my first web page. Okay, suppose I am written here one page, this is my first web page. Okay, so when, see, here is a hyperlink is there. So when you click here, okay, click here, like see, when you click, see, you all of you in the same page. Okay, you see, all of you notice we are in the same page. You see, just you scroll down, up and down, you see here is the bottom. Okay, okay, understood. See, here is the when you click to top, here the top one. Okay, top one, and next one is the bottom of the. Okay, so just when you click over here, then you go to the on the bottom of the page, right? See, okay, and just you scroll up and down and see. I am showing you, okay, how to write the code. Okay, when you use to internal link, this is called the internal link. I already told in the case of the internal link, okay, same website, a link that contain to another point to the same web page is called an internal link. Okay, so this is the same page, same web page is there. So I am showing you the code. Let's see the code. Just to select and click to open with. See the notepad is there. Just to click there and see. All of you see the uh, code. Okay, see. Suppose I am writing. I am changing here top and down, up. Suppose it is up, and see the next one is the support down. See, up, down, right? Otherwise, okay. See, and again I am showing you. See, just see the program. Is there any changes in there? See, just to double click. See, okay, understood. Here is the some changes there, but here is the bottom is required. If you not give the bottom, okay, then it is arise the problem. Okay, so here must be bottom. Okay, then control S. I show you again. Just to click over here. See, and see the text is there. Suppose on bottom. Okay, and here is top, and you see all of you the code. You all of you see here the HTML head title. As usual, it is there. HTML head title is there. Okay, and the web page. Okay, the title, head, body, bg color, red, and you see all of you here. I'm used the one more thing, left margin and the top margin. You see the left margin and top margin means the, see, I am showing you the output. See the margins are there from this the left side and up means the upside. See, if you want to increase, suppose I am increasing, suppose here is the, suppose here you increase the 200, then you save the file and you go to the web page. Just to replace top margin, it is left margin, suppose 200. See it is coming or not. See the output. See, okay, understood. Just it is reflect actually the moving actually. Okay, the first one you all of you remember. You see, when I'm written the 100, when I'm written the 100, see it is the 100 with the, it is moving like the sea. Okay, it is moving, okay, like this. Okay, and you see all of you focus the code. Actually the code is, you see here the left margin and the top margins, and this is my first web page I am written. And you see I am written here the br tag. Br tag means the break the line, means the go to the next line, and this is the code is there. Okay, this is the code of there to link one, means the same, means the, in the case of the internal link it is required the bottom. Okay, click here. When you click, okay, when you click, then okay, suppose I'm writing here. Okay, suppose go to, I'm changing here, go to bottom. Okay, Okay, otherwise click here, whatever. Okay, suppose click here it is best, so I am writing here click here, click here to click here. Okay, click here it is okay, click here. And see, here is the so many br tag is there. So many br tag means br tag I used for the gap. Actually here is the top and here is the bottom. Okay, here is the top and here is the bottom, right? Click here to go to the bottom of the screen. Okay, see, I'm written here. Click here, click here to go to the bottom of the screen. See, bottom of the screen, and here is the bottom of the screen of this page, of this web page. And see here the ID is there. Okay, I'm written the bottom, and see the output. First you save it like this. You save and just you click here and you see the replace it. Okay, see, click here to go to the bottom of the screen. Like see, it is the bottom of the screen, and just you scroll up and down, up and down. You see here this is the same web page is there, same web page. Okay, see the same web page, right? So I hope you all of you understood. Okay, and the next is I am going to explain one more things here. See, uh, see, I am going to explain you one more link is there. Suppose you want to link one web page to any other web pages. Suppose that using the pictures, actually suppose you want to link with the pictures, then how you link. Okay, so just wait, I am showing you. See, suppose here the again I am using here the one more okay HTML page. Suppose see I am writing here okay HTML page. Okay, I'm writing title. Okay, suppose web page as usual, title, and suppose here is the head is close. Okay, and here is a body tag is there, body tag, and here I am using ahref equal to, suppose within the code, suppose I want to suppose internal link. Okay, suppose first dot html. Okay, and see, and here CLIC, click here to go, click here to go to the first web page. Okay, see, and here you close the body, and next is the HTML. Okay, see, and you save. This is a save. I am saving the file. Suppose the name of the file is 03.html. Okay, and I am saving the same location. Suppose okay, and save it. Okay, and close. See, it is there. Okay, and when you open, okay, see, something is mistakes are there. Okay, first, okay, just wait, and the see the third web page. This is the third web page is there. Open with Notepad. I am opening actually. You see here is the typing mistakes are there, so it is not coming. ef actually. Okay, Control S, and the next, then you save it. You all of you understood. If you mistakes are there, then it is not coming. Okay, see, when you click there, now you see the first page is there. Okay, you all of you understood. It is also like the first internal link, and the second one, the second more examples I would like to show you to all of you. See, Means suppose you want to link with the, suppose I am showing you BR tag is there, means that go to the next line, and suppose A H R E H R A F, okay, then equal to, suppose here is the one pictures are there, I am showing you. See the pictures, see the pictures in the computer, these pictures I want to link, okay. So the picture's name is uh, IMG, okay, IMG SRC equal to, the picture is the name of the picture is the computer dot jpeg. Okay, actually the format of the JPG format it is. So it is a JPG format. I am written here JPG format. Okay, so you see I am using JPG format pictures, and how you verify that your pictures is the JPG format or any other formats are there. Just you click and then you will easily understand. Okay, let's see. Suppose A H R E F, okay, equal to, suppose I'm clicking here on the first dot HTML. Okay, I actually link with the, means the screen, means the computer pictures to the first web page, and then you click to save it. Okay, and you close. You see this is one. Okay, and just you over click like this, and you see this is the pictures is there. Just you click, the first page is open. Okay, okay, see the pictures is there, pictures is, this is one the pictures, okay, but pictures is not coming. I am showing you, this is the first page is open. Okay, see the pictures, something you just use go and check your code. Okay, IMGSRC computer dot, okay, it is there. Okay, COMPUTER computer dot src. Okay, again we are typing IMG SRC equal to bracket open computer dot jpeg. See, first you verify the format of the pictures. If the format of the pictures is the JPG, then it is coming. Otherwise, it is not comes. The pictures is there, link is there. Check your pictures. Right click, and you see here is the properties are there. Properties. You see j.jpeg. Right, the format is the JPEG. Okay, so in this way you link one page to any other pages. Okay, suppose I am going to link with the other pictures. Suppose here is the pictures are there. Suppose I want to link with this page. Okay, so suppose I am changing the copy the picture. Okay, copy the pictures and you paste the pictures here, you paste, and I want to change the name of the pictures. You rename. Okay, like this you rename. I'm showing you. Just suppose the pictures is the COM. Okay, com, and you see the format of the pictures. What is the format of the pictures? The format of the picture is the .jpg. Okay, see now then. Okay, I am showing you. Right click, then open with Notepad, and you see CO. I am changing the this format com, the name of the com. Okay, dot jpg. Okay, again we are verify. Just you right click over there and you check the dot jp. Okay, jpg. Yes, jpg, and you close like this. You save your file. Write this. save your file, and you go to this option, and here you click this coming. Okay, so you like this, you interconnected to one page to any other pages. Okay, so all of you practice. Okay, thank you all of you.